Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for SEO. ChatGPT as a language model can provide valuable insights and suggestions for search engine optimization or SEO. Here are some tips on how to use ChatGPT for SEO. Keyword research. ChatGPT can help you generate a list of relevant keywords for your website or content. You can ask ChatGPT questions like, what are the most popular keywords for your niche? Or what are the long tail keywords for your topic? ChatGPT can also provide keyword suggestions based on your seed keywords. Content optimization. ChatGPT can help you optimize your content for search engine by suggesting relevant keywords to include into your title, meta description, and content. You can ask ChatGPT questions like, what keywords to include in your title? Meta description and content. You can also ask questions like, what keyword should I include in my content to rank higher? Backlink analysis. ChatGPT can help you analyze your backlink profile and suggest ways to improvement. You can ask ChatGPT questions like, what are the top websites linking to my website? Or how can I improve my backlink profile? Competitor analysis. ChatGPT can help you analyze your competitor's website and suggest ways to attract them. You can ask ChatGPT questions like, what keywords are my competitors ranking for? Or what are my competitors' backlink profiles? Local SEO. ChatGPT can help you optimize your website for local search by suggesting local keywords and providing insights into local search trends. You can ask ChatGPT questions like, what are the most popular keywords, local keywords for your location? Or what are the local search trends in your industry? Overall, ChatGPT can be a useful tool for SEO research and analysis. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is just a language model and may not provide 100% accurate or relevant answers to your queries. It's always a good idea to cross-check the information provided by ChatGPT with other SEO tools and resources. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!